Back with the Yamaha Timberwolf 250. Here lately, I done put in a new top end cylinder and a 2-inch lift kit. I can see a difference, but I done turned this little thing into a big beast. I don't know if y'all can see it. Got the 2-inch lift right there. It wasn't hard to do. I really didn't think that it could be lifted. Then I did. That's the other rear end lift, well, the rear shock. Did that. Gave it a 2-inch lift. Then hit a little trails. Let me back up some so y'all can see really how it's looking. I mean, it's up there in person. Y'all will see it. I stay in Arkansas, so if y'all come to Arkansas and ride, I bring the beast out. The green wire's running to my LED bar at the front. I haven't rehooked that up. I really had everything stripped down, rear end all the way off. I put a new pin gear in the back, and the cylinder, I did that, and then the 2-inch lift, did all that. So shoot, just give me a shout. I'll try to make it to an event after the coronavirus, the corona stuff, whatever going on. Or shoot, we can all ride, keep a 6 feet distance, and we'll get it done.